taking the stage, Gino, Jane. Is it Dino? Dino or Gino? With a D, Dino with a D, you know, I'm sorry. And of course, Mr. Rick Berlin, keeping the ball in the air. Let's keep it in the air.
Vice versatile. Nobody does it better. This next song is called Paper Airplane. Jane wanted to play it. It's from an old record. And I'm dedicating it to Andrew Mazzone, who helped us produce it. May he rest in peace.
He lived so far away from the city, and he dreamed awake all night, and he writes the craziest songs, Jackie Gleason songs. And he fold paper airplane tight across the seam, and on the wing he whispers something strange and dark, a haiku from a beat up heart. Oh, and he let it fly from his rooftop, and he let it fly from his fingertips out into the air for anyone he hopes is there. You find him in the fog, walking the streets alone, weightless eyelids heavy head. Madness in the suburbs is like a cherry bomb. Looks kinda silly, and it blows up everything. And makery and lies win the day. And his nightmare just won't go away. And the Christmas light stars come crashing down. And he shivers and he wonders why no one's around. Explosion makes no sound. You find him in the fog, walking the streets alone, weightless eyelids heavy. S-O-S. 2 tin cans and a clothesline. The sharks are swimming, but they can't see a paper airplane. It flies so close. Jane Mangini, Dino Govoni.